Cleo? Beams? We're gonna get a motor in 2022. Let's go. There it is. Wait a minute.
The most reliable motor this car will ever have.
Yeah, we're supposed to have that in here. Beamer. Meat? 331. My precious. Here you go, guys. Adrenaline going faster.
Think of the day when some kid finds us at pick and pull in an old BMW and pops the hood and he's like, whoa, what is that?
It's like, what? Did they come with these things? I thought it was all just LS's and 2Js.
He's like, is that a Barra or is that a 2J or is that an RB26 or what?
Well, today's a good day. We got a 331 in the back there with a Scat rotating assembly, all forged H-beam rods this time. Third time's a charm, right?
No. By the way, I'm Heath. This is Mike.
That's Heath.
That's Mike.
I'm Mike. You're watching Adrenaline OK. And we're gonna have one heck of a 2022 here. COVID's over. Don't have to wear masks anymore. Right now, anyways.
I wish you still would wear one.
Well, I should. So the beard thing, scraggly beard. I don't want to get shaved until the engine's running again. So
to prove to all you YouTube warriors exactly how long it actually takes to build something.
Yeah.
It doesn't take 10 minutes. Mike's like 18 years older.
Yeah. Oh yeah. When I started building my car, I had one dog. I literally have another dog now. Like this stuff doesn't just happen overnight, and it's not like we're doing anything special, crazy either. So when you see this stuff, when guys are building 7-second cars,
respect the time and the work that goes into it.
There's a lot of work that goes into that. So here's to a good year. See you soon. Damn it. Here we go again. Take a gloss.
SFI balancer.
So she is 331.
Yeah, that's a little nicer.
Looks
Oh
good.
my god, that balancer is so cool.
I like that pan.
Okay, remember this old pan here? That's the stock pan from the 289 van, 66 Stuppy van. Say goodbye to that. We got a Moroso 7-quart pan with a locking dipstick.
There is no airflow disruptions there at all. Dude, oh my god, wow. Dude, it's gonna rip.
It's like it was machined on there.
We got a Performance World 1-inch spacer here instead of a Wilson. Wilsons are about twice the price. This is about the same thing, so we're still going to get our...
But Wilson invented that, so let's give a shout out to Wilson.
Wilson, yeah. This is just the Canadian cheap version of this.
Yeah, because we're poor up here. After I dropped a stud down in the motor and we dug her out with a magnet there, we're good to go.
We got it out of there. And the fact that it was able to fall all the way through there tells you how much valve lift this thing actually has, so that's pretty cool. That does look more like a motor now. 1-inch spacers for the win.
I got one of them fancy in the car hood releases. Chevy top. Oh,
There you go, boys.
She's almost ready. Alternator, freaking thermostat, and rod set up, and
We got full throttle.
Whoa.
This guy.
Ready?
This one is retarded.
Here, I'll turn it.
We got 32.
What? Oh, yeah, well.
Right now? Go. Right now? Go. Okay.
I'm gonna have to do something about that one day. Okay.
Okay, so push the record button, Mike. You just tried to record this.
Oh,
If
okay.
you're wondering why a lot of content's missing, because Mike thinks the red circle has to be off, not on.
What are we doing? Why am I scratching up my paint?
Look at this.
We've
Look at
been
this
driving
pipe.
around. The car's good. We've been driving around with this little flap sort of leaking, and every time you open it up, all the fumes come into the cab and like try to kill you. So it's like the death button right now.
Electric cutout. The cure for single exhaust.
Yeah, it makes it partially dual exhaust.
Okay, get her cut. I think the whole video is upside down. It's louder. Open it again. Yeah, that's it. Whoa!
Gorgeous engine, old carburetor. What the hell's going on, Mike? Money, Canada. So I got a new carburetor now. This one, the old Holly 650, works okay, but it's definitely worse for wear. Got some throttle shaft issues there, so it's leaking vacuum, idle's changing all the time. It's only a 650. This with it being the 331 and revving to 65, not enough carburetor. So this is Quick Fuel's new line, Brawler carburetors. This is another mechanical secondary. We got the red anodized, so it's about half the price of a regular Quick Fuel. They don't even put their name on it, they just literally put Brawler on it. So you got your air bleeds, and you still get your billet base plate, billet metering blocks for about half the price of a regular Quick Fuel carb. So we're just gonna run the factory jets for now. All I gotta do is set footbowl height. So let's get that on there and see how she runs.
shifter just completely exploded in the parking lot of, yeah. So let's fix it with Home Depot parts. There, you get a load of this. The bolts rattled themselves right out of there, and everything just came flying apart off. What's up, Cleo? Biking with Cleo.
Yeah, we were ripping and the fire extinguisher went off in the car while we were driving. I thought it exploded, man. This thing freaking went for it. Lindsay, I need you to clean my car.